Hi you guys, and welcome back to my channel. I am 𝙿𝚃𝚾𝚽, and in today's video we are doing what's in my bag. It's so crazy because I'm starting to see these videos pop back up on my YouTube For You page. Well, I don't know if it's technically a For You page, but basically I've been seeing these videos circulating and I'm so happy because I love this type of content. It just reminds me of back in the day when I used to watch these videos. So I decided, why not do them? Because I love this kind of content, so I want to do it too as well. So let's go ahead and get into what is in my bag. So let's get into the bag itself. Do we see this masterpiece? I know it looks huge because there is a lot of stuff in here. One thing I will say is that this bag is super spacious. Like, so many things can go in this bag. Y'all gonna see. But this is the bag as of right now, and this is what the bag looks like. So this is a bag that I got off of TikTok shop, and I love this bag so much. One thing that I really enjoy about this bag is, first of all, how it just hangs on my shoulder, but I also love how thick the strap is. Something about a thick strap, I hate when like I have a thin strap and it's a spacious bag, it starts to hurt my shoulder. But I feel like with this bag, it is very comfortable when you have a lot of stuff in this bag and you're carrying it because it has that thick strap. I love it, y'all. It is just an amazing bag, and I love the material of it as well. And then the inside is just lined with just black. I don't know what material inside this is, but I love it. That's all that matters. I love it. And then it has one pocket in here. I just think she's gorgeous. It comes in several different colors, so I will have that link down below so you guys can check it out. I think I want to get the brown bag next because I feel like, okay, I already have a lot of black bags. I'm just trying this time around to get more color. Obviously, y'all know I love black. I don't know, I just love black so much, and I think it's starting to become my favorite color. But I'm just like, I rebuke. So let's get into what's inside. So my iPad. I'm an iPad girly now. Y'all put me on. And I have my iPad here. And this case, I actually got this case off of Shein. So I will link this too if I can find it again. But they have so many cases, y'all. You guys are sleeping on Shein. Yes, they have a lot of cheap things. One thing I will say is that I'm not spending a lot of money on cases, phone cases, iPad cases, and laptop cases. That's something I will never spend that much money on. So when Shein, you go on their website, you will see all the cases, y'all, like $2, $3. I get all my cases from their phone cases and my iPad cases from there. Go and run. Okay, run and get those cases. I have my iPad because I take all my notes on here, do a lot of my work on here as well. And then I watch like my Netflix, all of that. I cannot live. This is just like a notebook for me, basically. And it fits really well in this purse because a lot of the times my smaller purses, I cannot carry my iPad in there. So that's one reason why I love this bag. The next thing is, we're gonna go through all of our books and all that stuff. I have this book in here right now at the moment because I need to finish this by the 30th because I have to return this book by then. I am starting to rent books from the library because I don't finish books, y'all. I start books and then I just don't be finishing them. I told myself that we're not doing that. We need to be reading. Like, we need to read, and plus it helps with your vocabulary, and I feel like my vocabulary is horrible, but I've been working on it. And it's The War of Art, Break Through the Blocks and Win Your Inner Creative Battles. This book is so good. So I've been having this book on me so that I can read it whenever I have any downtime. The next book is my journal. I am getting into journaling just throughout the day when thoughts come. Normally I will do that in my phone. Something about writing, it's just different. It hits different. My mom just got this for me actually. And this is a journal, and it says, she is confident, she is strong, she is motivated, she is blessed, she is happy, she is beautiful, and she is enough. And she is 𝙿𝚃𝚾. And my mom customized it for me and custom made my name so they can go there. This book is So cute, and I've just been riding in this. The next thing is my handy dandy film camera. Y'all, I love this film camera. I got this off of Facebook Market. And the gentleman, oops, let me put the case back on. The gentleman was so nice, and he's like, oh, I've had this camera for over like 30 years or something like that. And I was like, oh, but this camera is the GOAT. The only thing is that you have to get them developed. I just bring this whenever I have time to take photos because it is just a vibe. Like, it is such a vibe. The next thing is this selfie light, and y'all have seen this probably all over your social media. It's the GOAT. It makes your photos and your videos look 10 times better. If you do not have this light, you need to get it. I don't care if you're a content creator or not. You need this light. I'm gonna link this. The next thing is my headphones. I love these Soundcore headphones. I don't even know why, but they are so cute, and like they can kind of look like accessories on your ears, and they go on like really cute. They just hold on. They're almost like those, there's another brand out there. I can't remember the brand, but they kind of like hook onto your ears. But these are perfect. I use these just every day when I'm out, if I need to like be on the phone or if I need to listen to something and I just don't want people hearing it. And also use this for running. I pretty much just use this every day. The next thing is my 𝙿𝚃𝙾𝙽𝙃, which is my inhaler. If you guys don't know, I have asthma. Lately, I have not even been needing to take my asthma inhaler at all. I do have an 𝙼𝚃𝙀, and I usually use that too as well. But lately, it just I haven't been using it. I've been taking Mullen, and lately I feel like the Mullen has been helping. But I still need to carry this just in case, because you just never know, y'all. The next thing is these glasses. These are my shimmy glasses. These are some like nice handmade sunglasses. And I love these so much, y'all. Like, these glasses are awesome. It's the craftsmanship for me, you know? And this is how they look on. These are just some very comfortable glasses, some really great handmade luxury glasses. These glasses are amazing, and they have a lot of really great sunglasses on their site. You guys should check them out. But I ended up purchasing these, and these are the glasses that I have and I've been wearing for the past few days. Like, I have a ton of sunglasses, so I kind of go back and forth between certain ones. But lately, I have been wearing these a lot. The next thing is my blade pocket knife, y'all. This is the pocket knife that I usually have in my bag. Well, I have this pocket knife in my bag at all times. Like, I do not play when it comes to having certain things to protect myself. This is one of them. I love this knife so much. Like, I don't know what it is about this knife. I love this knife. Next thing is obviously my car key. I'm always gonna have my car key and my house key. All that is gonna always be in my purse. Next thing is my cards. Y'all, I need a new wallet. So if you guys have any wallet recommendations, please put them down below. I have not been using a wallet since my purse got stolen on my birthday back in May. So my cards have been very loose, and I do not like that. I really need to get a wallet. So maybe that's something that I should put on my list moving forward. Next thing that I have is this perfume. This is some perfume that I got from the herbal store, and they make this, and it is so good. It's called Goddess, and y'all, this perfume is so good. Oh, I love this one so much. It's really that good. Okay, and then lastly, you guys, the last things that I have is obviously my lipsticks. Whatever I'm wearing that day, I will have that in my purse. And right now, it is actually the Huda Beauty. It's my lip combo that I think I posted that lip combo maybe a few days ago. I will link it. If I can link the short, I'll link it in here. But it is this liner. It's in Rich Brown from Huda Beauty, and then the Huda Beauty gloss. This combo just does it for me every time. It's not what I have on right now, but it is a great combo, lip combo. So this concludes what is in my bag. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did. That is currently what is in my bag. This is like a very realistic what's in my bag. There's a few things that I feel like I probably should be carrying in my bag, like sanitizer, but I also just know that like when I go out and about, I have sanitizer in my car, and I usually will take that with me. but I don't have like a dedicated sanitizer for my bag. I probably should carry like a tampon or a pad just in case, because you just never know. So there's certain things that I know I probably should have in my bag, but this is just a very realistic, like, this is literally what I have in my bag most of the time. I love you guys so much, and I hope that you guys enjoyed this video and found this video interesting as much as I did. But other than that, let me know what you guys think about this bag, and let me know if this is something that you would actually purchase. I will have all the details of everything that's in my bag linked down below so you guys can check it out. And don't forget to like this video if you guys enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe as well. Follow me on all my socials. Everything will be down in the description box below. And without further ado, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!
Eu já cansei de te chamar pra tu sair de casa, mas você só continua com essa enrolação. Já cansei de te chamar pra tu sair de casa, você só continua com essa enrolação.